Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Kia Soul updated. Begin by checking a spare key and the fob battery, then test each door handle slowly and deliberately. If the fob still fails, use the physical key or locate the hidden mechanical slot under the fob cover. Keep calm and avoid force to prevent damage. If you cannot gain entry, gather proof of ownership and contact trusted roadside assistance or a locksmith. Start with the fob, open it carefully, swap in a fresh battery, then test the remote buttons from close range. If the remote still fails, slide out the mechanical key blade and find the hidden lock on the driver door. Turn the lock gently while one person pulls the handle, since some doors require slight tension. Store the mechanical key in a secure place to avoid future lockouts and reduce stress. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful updates. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which I love for its clear, practical advice that pairs well with sensible car care and budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If your Soul supports remote unlock, open the Kia app and try the remote unlock feature while near the vehicle. Ensure your phone account is linked to the correct VIN and that cellular service is active. If the app cannot connect, try toggling Bluetooth and location, then retry. When tech fails, call roadside assistance or a dealer for secure remote help, and always verify your identity before anyone accesses your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.